Plan for alternative care sites for dialysis, chemotherapy, or managed drug sites. Contact local health department, police, fire, or emergency management to register for the Special Needs Registry for your area. Know phone numbers to contact to get emergency information for your area during disasters. In Texas, dial 211. Or, for TTY, 1-877-541-7905. Animals and disasters. Your animals need to be included in your family disaster plan, since they depend on you for their well-being. Your disaster plan should include a list of emergency phone numbers for local agencies that can assist you if disaster strikes, including your veterinarian, state veterinarian, local animal shelter, animal care and control, county extension service, local agricultural schools, and the American Red Cross. These numbers should be kept with your disaster kit in a secure but easy accessible place. Pets. If you must evacuate, do not leave your pets behind. There is a chance they will not survive or get lost before you return. With the exception of service animals, pets are not permitted in emergency shelters. Find out what motels allow pets and where boarding facilities are located. Boarding facilities will require veterinarian records to prove vaccinations are current. Include your local animal shelter's number in your list of emergency numbers. They might be able to provide information concerning pets during a disaster. Only some animal shelters will provide care for pets during emergencies. They should only be used as a last resort. Use friends and family or keep them with you if possible. Be sure your pet has proper identification tags securely fastened to the collar. If possible, attach the address and/or phone number of your evacuation site. Make sure you have a current photo of your pet for identification purposes. When documenting ownerships of pets, include yourself in the picture and make sure distinguishing marks on the pet are visible in the picture. Microchip your pet. Make sure you have a secure pet carrier with identity information secured to it and a leash for your pet. Pets may need to be restrained during tense emergency situations. Create a disaster supplies kit for your pet. Take it with you and be prepared to leave it with whomever assumes responsibility for your pet. Include pet food and water, medication and veterinary records, litter box, food and water dish, first aid kit, information sheet with pet's name, feeding schedule, and any behavior problems. Include a muzzle. Pets get nervous during emergencies, so keep them safe by not allowing them to bite others. If you have no alternative but to leave your pet at home, there are some precautions you must take. Confine your pet to a safe area inside. Never leave your pet chained outside. Place a notice outside in a visible area advising that pets are in the house and where they are located. Provide a phone number for where you or your contact can be reached, as well as the name and number of your vet. Have a backup plan in case you're not at home when an evacuation is ordered. Find a trusted neighbor who will agree to take your pet in case you are not there and meet you at a pre-arranged location. Make sure this person is comfortable with your pet. Know where they are likely to be and where to find your pet emergency kit. Livestock. Evacuate livestock whenever possible. Prepare in advance by having transportation and an evacuation destination prearranged. Alternate routes should be mapped out in case the planned route is inaccessible. The evacuation site should have or be able to readily obtain food, water, veterinary care, handling equipment, and facilities. If evacuation is not possible, a decision must be made whether to move large animals to available shelter or turn them outside. All animals should have some form of identification that will help facilitate their return.